Today's video, how to boost your laptop sound. This is the HP ProBook 440 G4 laptop. Okay, let's check this sound. Few days ago, this laptop was a very good quality sound and gradually it became soundless. Today I will fix this laptop. Here is also one problem you can see, and keyboard knob also broken, and today I will also change this keyboard. I am playing copyright free audio, maybe listening any sound, and just I am using the headphone. Still now you are not hearing, and just I am close this microphone. Maybe you are listening something. Okay, boss, let's start. Perfect thing for opening. Here is a semi screw under the keyboard. Before you open the body, we need to open this lock. This one also. This one is the speaker connector. I will show how to open this perfectly. Okay, put in this plastic knob in this laptop body and go this slowly. Now our laptop is open, and I need to do some basic cleaning in this laptop, cooling fan and other stuff. Okay. Here is no dust in this laptop cooling fan. Okay. Okay, let's change the speaker, sound speaker. This one is our original default speaker in this laptop. Okay, let's open this. This one is the original and default speaker. I will replace this speaker with this one. Okay, this one we purchased from our local market. Okay, let's install. You can see this speaker connector and the new speaker connector is same. It will be perform excellently. Okay. This is screw type also different. Okay, here is a measurement line. This is the perfect. This is perfectly fitting with this laptop body, and you can see here is some difference of from this body. You just complete our laptop fitting. Okay, let's check this, the audio and keyboard, it's work or not. Turn on the power. Okay, check the sound quality. And this sound quality is very good. This speaker is working perfectly. Okay viewers, okay viewers, our laptop sound quality is absolutely perfect, and our laptop keyboard also worked. I did not find any problem with this keyboard. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.